Meaning of fireplace.
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 Fireplace. A fireplace is a structure made of brick, stone, or metal that is designed to contain a fire. It is typically found in homes and serves as a source of heat and light. By burning wood or other fuel, the fire releases warmth into the surrounding space, making it a popular feature for colder climates. In addition to its utilitarian value, a fireplace often serves as a decorative element, with many styles and designs available to match various interior aesthetics. Overall, a fireplace enhances both the comfort and ambience of a room.